Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Octans Crypto. Octans Crypto, or OCTA, aka, is a smart contract driven by the community. Thinking of its holders, OCTA uses a reward protocol. Holders are rewarded with more OCTA simply by holding. Transactions are locked to liquidity, forever resulting in less circulating OCTA, increasing the price and value of each. So before we get into some of the tokenomics and all the, I guess, little bit more boring stuff, we're going to jump straight to the important stuff that you guys need to know about, and that's going to be the roadmap. There's big things coming in the roadmap for OCTA, and this low market cap gem definitely has potential to do big things. Do remember, guys, this is a sponsored video, and I want to be as transparent as possible about that. But I actually do, and we have talked about this in the Discord a little bit, as well as OCTA. Was actually being talked about in the Discord, and then I got a response to do a sponsored video on it, and I thought to myself, why would I not cover a coin that we've already been talking about in the Discord a lot about? So I definitely wanted to give a little bit more outreach to you guys to show you guys, Octans Crypto is definitely something that has a future. So I love the idea of this roadmap. So phase 1, quarter 1, 2021, they had the Octans launch, obviously, liquidity locked, 50% of supply burned, and website and socials. Now they have phase 2, obviously the big one, listing CoinGecko, listing CoinMarketCap, smart contract audit, gather holders, and white paper. Then they have phase 3, including the Whitebit listing, multi-exchanges, partnerships, and merchandise. And phase 4 is obviously the big one that they've been working on, the NFT marketplace, staking, and more to come, and more resources. So Octane has a bunch of things coming. Obviously, the greatest thing I love about Octane is they do these weekly updates. So you can actually watch this video. I won't click it here now, but I've actually already watched the video, learned what Octane's all trying to work on right now, the team itself. But they talk specifically about what they're trying to accomplish on their coin right now. So it's a very interesting podcast really to listen to it. I guess it's more of a podcast kind of just really explaining what they're working on and where they're at on certain things. And it's a great way to learn more about the actual coin itself. If you guys want to learn how to buy, we will have links in the description of the video. It's definitely very, very cheap right now. I looked at the price. We are actually going, I think, at a fairly good rate right now. It's actually at a good entry point, and they have the contract address available on the website as well. But they talk about over almost 60,000 holders right now. Burned so far, they have a ton burned. Market cap still at that $67 million, 200,000 USD. So we are seeing a fairly large market cap. A lot of people understanding that this does have potential in the future to continue to rise. It's just a coin that's worth looking into, and that's really all I'm going to say today. I do want to talk a little bit more though about the tokenomics, so let's jump back down to that. So for every transaction, there is a tax of 8%. 4% is locked forever. 4% is transferred to holders. Lock liquidity in all transactions. 4% is sent to liquidity, reducing the total supply of OCTA and also contributing for price increase. Then we have the deflationary supply and burn. So after successfully launching OCTA, 50% of the total supply was burned. As more transactions occurred, the less OCTA there is in circulation. And they talk about the Octane events, obviously including tokens burned successfully, as well as liquidity locked on DX Lock. So you can actually click those and go in and actually see the proof of those things taking place. Obviously a big deal, as they're fully about being transparent, in my opinion. I've watched this video. They talk about really just being transparent and trying to be as honest as possible about where they're at currently. I've never, I've never seen anything that I don't like about Octane so far. It's looking very solid, and it does look like stats updated manually, 5.5. So this could have been, more holders at this point or less, but most likely we have more holders at this point. We're continuing to see better and better stats every day. So I think, it's worth looking into, Octane's Crypto. If you guys haven't gone to it yet, definitely take a look in the description. Like I said, octanescrypto.com. It's going to be linked in the description, and you'll be able to take a look. And it's very easy to buy as well. And I'll go through that real quick. So you just click the pancake swap in the top right. It just says tokens imported. I understand. Continue. Then you put whatever. I don't think I have very much BNB right now, but I have a bunch of cake. Okay, so we'll say let's do 185 cake. This is how much Octane I would actually get if I did this, and I can change the slippage tolerance as well. And they go through that and how to all do that on their website, so you can definitely make it as easy as possible. Just kind of go through their how to buy situation here at the bottom. Create your wallet, transfer BNB, and then swap to OCTA, and then you can click here for the detailed instructions. And it looks like they wanted me to set the slippage to about 8 to 9%. So you can actually join them on Twitter as well. And I actually don't think I followed them yet, and I really wish I would have. So let's do that real quick. And it looks like auto yield and liquidity smart contract with the rewards to holders. So that's their whole concept. Obviously a lot more to it, but Power Hour is live. Here is where we spread Octanes across any and all socials. Our galaxy is growing each day. We need to let everyone know about it. So we continue to see more and more people actually check out OCTA, and it's continuing to grow, obviously, as we see that here. But that's going to be basically it for Octane. I think it's a great coin. I think it's, like I said, a low market cap coin that does have a lot of potential in the future. So that's going to be all I'm going to talk about today on Octane's crypto. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to get back to you and give you guys that information. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.